never leave your pet alone in a parked vehicle. On a hot day, even with the windows open, a parked car can become a furnace in no time.
The temperature in a vehicle rises very quickly. On a 70-degree day, even with a breeze, inside of a vehicle is 90 to 100 degrees, and pets will succumb very quickly to heat exhaustion and heat sickness. It's not a good idea. In fact, it's against the law.
You can still have fun in the sun with your furry companions by following a few simple rules. Keep pets hydrated. Wherever you go, make sure you have a travel dish and access to plenty of water.
Dogs don't have the same amount of sweat glands as a person, and their natural mode of cooling down is through panting to release a lot of the hot air and to cool their body temperature. Cats can overheat as well. Whenever you see a cat open mouth breathing, it's very critical because that's not a natural behavior in a cat.
Well, you need to think about the safety and comfort of your animal just as you would any other family member. Their pads are touching the ground, walking them, taking them to festivals and fairs or the beach or anywhere. Imagine us walking barefoot across a hot beach. Sometimes it's intolerable.
Pet owners should absolutely be cautious of walking on pavement, asphalt, any type of metal surfaces in the summer months, because even though our pets aren't acting as though they're in pain, it can be quite hazardous on their feet and on their pads. And a lot of times we don't notice that they have a burn on their pads until they start limping or licking at their feet.
Don't leave pets unsupervised around water. Not all are good swimmers.
There's the dogs that are designed and bred for swimming genetically, and those are your water spaniels, your Labradors, and your retrievers, and they really have been designed for water rescue, and they do wonderful naturally in the water. And then your second group of dogs are the ones that are interested in the water but just are a bit fearful, and they can be taught to like the water with patience and just working with them, but it's not necessarily a natural instinct for them to want to be in the water. And then the third group of dogs are dogs that really shouldn't be swimming at all. Little dachshunds and corgis and bulldogs, because just the way they're designed is not meant to have any momentum in the water.